Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be telling you guys how to use Pinterest Analytics to track your performance and grow your account. First, open your Pinterest apps and log into your account on Pinterest business account. Tap on profile icon, then click on the analytics. Now once you go to your profile, this is how you can open your analytics. On the top left corner of your phone, you'll see the three towers or rectangles like that button, and then click on analytics, and there you go. Once you're on analytics, you'll see an overview of your performance, including impressions, saves, clicks, and audience insights. This helps you understand your pins which are performing best. You can click on content or pins to see how individual pins are performing. You can see which pins are driving traffic, getting the most saves, or generating clicks. Go to the audience tab and to understand your followers, demographics, interests, and location. This information helps you create pins that appeal to your target audience. Use these insights to plan your content, schedule plans at the right time, and optimize your boards for better engagement. And that's it. This is how you guys can use your Pinterest Analytics to grow your account. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Pinterest tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching.